Hi, friends. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, we're going to be learning about rainbows. Rainbows are so magical. I love seeing a rainbow in the sky. Do you? Today, we're going to build our very own rainbow and learn about all the colors that make up a rainbow. Are you ready?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's get started. Do you know how a rainbow appears in the sky? Right. Usually a rainbow appears in the sky after it rains. Can you wiggle your fingers like rain? Now, a rainbow appears after it rains because the sunlight shines through the raindrops and the light bends and creates all these colors. We're going to learn about each one and build our very own rainbow. Let's start by making a rainbow with our hands. Can you lift your hands up? And then go like this. Build an arc of a rainbow. Let's start building our rainbow together. Are you ready? Now, let's start with the first color in the rainbow. Do you know what the first color is? Right, it's the color red. Red is bright and loud, like a fire truck. Can you yell the word red? Great job! Now let's color in our rainbow with our first color. Color it red. Red is like the color of an apple or roses. We see red all around us. Great job! Now we have our first color. What do you think the second color could be? Now that our rainbow has the color red, we need to fill it with the second color. What do you think the second color could be? Right, it's orange. Orange is the color of pumpkins, oranges of course, and a tiger. Can you roar the word orange like a tiger? Orange. Great job! Now let's color in the second stripe of our rainbow in the color orange. Great job! How wonderful! Now our rainbow has red and orange. What could the third color be? Let's find out. Can you help me with the third color in the rainbow? I need to color in the third stripe. What do you think it could be? You're right. It's yellow. Yellow is the brightest color. It's so bright like the sun and the sunflower. And a banana is yellow too. Can you say yellow with a big smile? Yellow! Now, color in the third stripe with yellow. Great job! We're halfway through our rainbow. We now have 3 colors: red, orange, and yellow. How wonderful! What could the fourth color be? Let's find out. Can you help me with the fourth stripe in a rainbow? What color do you think it is? You're right, it's the color green. Green is the color of grass and trees, and a frog can be green too. I like the color green. Can you say green with me? Green! Wonderful! Now let's color in that stripe. Let's color it green together. Oh, our rainbow is looking so nice. Can you help me with the rest of the colors? I wonder what they could be. Now, let's review. We have 4 colors in our rainbow so far. We have red, orange, yellow, and green. What do you think comes next? You're right, it's blue. Blue like the sky and the ocean. Can you say the word blue with me? Blue. Now let's color in that stripe. How wonderful is our rainbow coming together? We have so many colors. We got 2 more to go. Are you ready to find out what they are? Now that we have red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, our next color is indigo. Have you ever heard of the color indigo? Indigo's like blue, but it has a little bit of purple mixed in. So it's a little dark, like a midnight sky. Or like your jeans can be indigo too. Sometimes blueberries look like indigo too. Indigo is the 6th color of the rainbow. Can you help me color that in? Look for your crayons and see if you have indigo. Let's color in that stripe. Oh, it's looking so great. Let's see what the last color of the rainbow could be. We're almost done with our rainbow. Let's review the colors we have so far. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and indigo. We have 1 more color to go. Can you help me guess what the last color could be? Right, it's violet. Violet looks like purple, but it has a little bit of blue mixed in. Violet is like the color of an eggplant. Sometimes grapes and flowers can be violet too. Let's color in the last stripe of our rainbow with the color violet. Oh, that's looking so nice. Now we have all 7 colors of our rainbow. And you probably learned 2 new colors today. Great job! Now that we've made a complete rainbow, let's try to do it again. But this time, we're going to go faster. I want you to take a close look and try to remember all 7 colors of the rainbow. And then we're going to erase it and try again. Are you ready? Take a quick look and see what these colors are. All right, now let's try again. What is the first color in the rainbow? That's right, it's the color red. Now, what is the second color of the rainbow? Great job! It's orange. Can you help me guess the third color of the rainbow? Right, it's yellow. Now, what's the fourth color? Good job! It's green. What's the fifth color? That's right, it's blue. What's the sixth color? Great job! indigo. And now our final color, the seventh color of the rainbow. What is it? Right, it's violet. You've learned all 7 colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Great job! Now you know how to build your very own rainbow. How wonderful! What beautiful colors we have. The next time it rains, look outside the window and count all the colors of the rainbow. And you also made your very own rainbow. Great job today! You did such a wonderful job. You're a rainbow and a color expert now. Keep exploring and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends!